Hi, Ollama, the probably most easy tool to use for your local AI chat. Ollama is free, open source, provide a lot of models you can run with a single command and is available for every major OS. Let's dive in. First, we go to ollama.com. Then we download the installer and install the app. After you finished installation, launch the app. You will be greeted with a very simple user interface. On the left, you see some options and also your chat history, if you have one. You can start right away by opening a new chat in the interface. The chat interface gives you a select option where you can choose some top models. Make sure you are not using the cloud models if you want to run it locally on your machine. Here I choose Qwen 3.6 that I don't want to download now. I show you another way with all existing models from ollama.com. I choose Qwen 3.5 because it's available on more versions that better fit my needs. If you are new to model naming, just one simple trick helps you decide the best version for your system. First comes the model name, and after the colon you will see a number and a B. This means how many billion parameters the model have baked in. More means larger model size, more RAM required and better quality overall. For a rule of thumb, 1 billion parameters roughly requires 1 GB of RAM. So here I choose the 4B model for this tutorial. If you can, I would always recommend to use a model with around 8B parameters, which is good balance for quality and system requirements. Now I open up a command line window and run the command ollama run plus the model name. On first use, this will automatically download the model, and after it has been finished, it will start the chat in the command line. You can stay in the command line if you want, as in my example here, or close command line and go back to Ollama desktop app, which, if you have closed the app, probably run in the background. Check your history icons and reopen the window if the app is running. In this demo, I ask a simple question first, then I ask a programming question. You see the thinking progress, and depending on the question and system, this may take a while to answer. Next, I do the same in the Ollama app user interface, as it is more convenient as a command line interface. Nice, the answer seems correct, and all of that was generated on my local machine. One bonus tip, Ollama automatically has a local server running that you can use. With this, you can embed Ollama API into various tools on your machine, for example a coding IDE. Just ask your Ollama chatbot how you can do it. I do it here and let me create a simple command line call to make a request to the Ollama backend directly with PowerShell. It works, just out of the box. Great! So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye!